Hi, my name is George, and I found the 3-day training session on supporting students with needs very informative. During the 3 days, we spent time exploring the different types of disabilities, understanding the challenges they face, and learning different strategies to support them within the classroom. One method that we talked about in the class was the use of mnemonic devices to help them retain and recall information they've learned. After learning more about these types of students and in the way they perceive and process information, I was challenged to incorporate more use of mnemonic devices within my class to better support them, because as educators we should strive to teach the way they learn, but not the way we teach. Overall, I found a 3-day session very good, as I am walking around with more knowledge, understanding, and compassion for students with needs. Thank you, ACT.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.